Today we're going to talk about the alumni and community login. We recently added the word alumni to the community login to make it a little more apparent where our alumni could access items that would be of interest to them. You'll notice as you mouse over the alumni and community login area, you get this drop-down menu, which will allow you to the various items that are available underneath each of the portals. For instance, the student portal has My Backpack, Moodle, Office 365, and the faculty staff directory. The parent portal is similar, as is the faculty staff portal and alumni. You'll also notice up here this little icon of the two people, and you'll want to remember that because this is a responsive design site. As your device becomes smaller, we have less and less room for text. So at one point, alumni and community login, the words themselves disappear, and all that you're left with is this icon of the two people, and that's your entry point into the portals. I'm going to see if I can demonstrate that here. I'm making the screen a little smaller, and you'll see your items at the top that were printed out before: the request info, apply now, give now, RSVP, and your items like about CCDS, academics, and admission. Watch what happens as the screen gets smaller. They are all relegated to this menu, this item called menu, which if you click on that, it will give you all of those items that have disappeared from the screen. The request now, both lines, the request now, the apply now, about CCDS, academics, etc. If I want to hide that, I just click the X and it returns to that. As I continue to get smaller and smaller, you'll notice other things that disappear. And watch what happens to alumni and community as my device gets smaller. It also disappears. The text menu disappears. And now all we have is this icon that's left. Let's say we get this down into a phone size. When we click on that, we now have the people icon. And when I click on the people icon, I get a menu that includes all of my portals. And if I click on the plus sign, I get options for each of the different portals, and they are also listed below.